In recent years, the cost of conventional DIY projects has skyrocketed, with some estimates suggesting that the average DIY endeavor now costs as much as a nice dinner out, often exceeding $50. This alarming statistic has led many to believe that crafting and creating are luxuries reserved for those with ample disposable income. However, what if I told you that there are innovative DIY projects that not only cost less than the average meal, but also spark joy and creativity? The world of budget-friendly DIY is bursting with possibilities that are both fun and accessible, ready to challenge the misconception that crafting must be expensive. The beauty of DIY lies in its ability to transform ordinary materials into extraordinary creations, all while keeping your wallet intact. You don't need a degree in design or a lavish budget to dive into the world of crafting. Instead, you can embrace resourcefulness and creativity, making your home a reflection of your personality without overspending. Let's explore some inventive projects that can be completed for less than the cost of a typical dinner, each promising to add a touch of charm and functionality to your space. First up is the versatile and stylish fabric scrap wall art. This project is not only visually appealing, but also an excellent way to repurpose leftover fabric scraps from previous sewing endeavors. All you need are some fabric remnants, a canvas or a sturdy piece of cardboard, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Begin by cutting the fabric into various shapes. Think triangles, circles, or even abstract forms. Arrange these pieces on your canvas in a way that pleases your eye, experimenting with colors and patterns until you find a design that resonates with you. Once you're satisfied with the layout, use the hot glue gun to secure each piece in place. This project allows you to showcase your personal style and can serve as a vibrant focal point in any room, all for under $20. Next, let's dive into the realm of upcycling with a simple yet clever project, turning glass jars into charming candle holders. With the rising costs of home decor, this project is a fantastic way to create ambience without breaking the bank. You will need empty glass jars, some twine or ribbon, and tea light candles. Start by cleaning the jars thoroughly and removing any labels. Once dry, wrap the twine around the neck of the jar, securing it with a knot or bow for a rustic touch. Place a tea light inside each jar, and you can even add a bit of sand or pebbles at the bottom for a decorative effect. These candle holders can illuminate your dining table, patio, or even your living room, providing a cozy atmosphere that feels both inviting and elegant. The total cost for this project is typically around $15, depending on the number of jars you choose to use. Now let's talk about creating your own custom coasters. This project is not only functional, but also a fantastic way to showcase your artistic flair. For this DIY, you'll need cork coasters, acrylic paint, and a paintbrush. You can find cork coasters at most craft stores for a few dollars. Start by painting unique designs or patterns on each coaster. Whether you opt for geometric shapes, floral motifs, or abstract art, the choice is yours. Once the paint dries, you'll have a set of coasters that not only protect your surfaces, but also serve as conversation starters when guests come over. This project can be completed for under $10, making it an incredibly affordable way to add a personal touch to your home. Lastly, let's explore a clever hack that transforms an everyday item into something truly useful: the humble cardboard box. Instead of tossing out those extra shipping boxes, consider turning them into stylish storage solutions. For this project, you'll need cardboard boxes, wrapping paper or fabric, and some tape or glue. Start by measuring the dimensions of your boxes and cutting the wrapping paper or fabric to size. Wrap the boxes as you would a gift, securing the paper with tape or glue. These decorated boxes can serve as storage for everything from toys to office supplies, helping you declutter your space while adding a pop of color. This project can cost as little as $5, depending on the materials you have on hand. As we wrap up this exploration of budget-friendly DIY projects, it's clear that creativity knows no financial bounds. Each of these projects highlights the essence of crafting with purpose and imagination, proving that you can create unique and functional items without straining your finances. Whether you're designing fabric scrap wall art, upcycling glass jars, painting custom coasters, or transforming cardboard boxes, the possibilities are endless. In a world where the cost of conventional DIY projects can be daunting, these innovative ideas remind us that it's not about how much money you spend, but how much heart you put into your creations. So, gather your materials, unleash your creativity, and embark on your own DIY journey. You'll find that the joy of creating something with your own hands is priceless, and the satisfaction of doing it on a budget is an added bonus. Embrace the challenge and let your imagination soar. It's time to craft without compromise.